Hello guys, this is the assembly video for Walker for children with cerebral palsy called Walk With Me. So the first mate we did were these concentric mates. So this is used to attach our top horizontal piece, as you can see here, with our side frame. So this is going to be the same on both sides. We also have these perpendicular mates so that it stabilizes the walker. So this plane right here would be perpendicular to our front plane. We also have these parallel mates. So this is used so that the side frames would be parallel to each other when it's folded out, as you can see here. So we have these parallel mates for the top bar as well as the two vertical bars. So the next thing we did were these concentric mates to bolt in the screws. So as you can see here, we attached the screw into like the holes that were aligned previously through our part. So we did the same for these other bolts right here. We also made sure that the face of the bolts were tangent to whatever pole we're attaching it to, so the screws won't pull out, they'll be locked in place. What we also did was we made this bar right here perpendicular to our side frame, as you can see here. So the reason why they're perpendicular is because these are detachable. So we need to make sure they're at completely right angle so we can screw it in completely. We also made these two individual bars parallel to each other since they're in opposite sides and this whole walker is symmetrical. Yeah, so we made these perpendicular to the other side of the side frame as well. We also had a distance mate. So we made the horizontal bar 6.5 inches from the part of the height adjuster. So this is going to be the same all around. So right here as well. So the next series of mates we had to do are these trapezoidal locks. So I'm going to zoom in for you to see better. So we have to make sure that the trapezoidal lock is tangent with the curve so they can slide right on top. We also made these holes concentric to each other so we can attach the bolt and the nut. So the same goes for the other side as well, since it's completely symmetrical. So basically these concentric mates, the point of these are just to align the holes so we can eventually screw them all in. So afterwards we use this tangent mate here so we can, so then this, let me look for it real quick. So this bar right here is tangent to this horizontal piece as before. So this is used to attach the hinge for our seats. As you can see here, I'm going to give you a better look. So in order to attach the hinge, we use concentric mates to attach the individual parts of the hinge, so right here and right here. And then we made this whole entire face tangent or coincident with the seat, as well as coincident with the horizontal bar. And after that, we align these holes using concentric mates, and then we just attach it on with screws and bolts. So what we also did is we used concentric mates to align the screw right here into our hole. So once again, same as before, so it's completely aligned, so we can just simply screw it all in. And we also made sure the face of the bolt is tangent to the side frame as before. The final step of our assembly is to attach the height adjusters as well as the wheels, sort of these right here. So in order to do so, we use concentric mates to mate the edge of the adjusters with the side frame, and then we also use concentric mates for the holes right here so we can bolt these in, and then we just attach them with nuts and bolts afterwards. So for the wheels, it's pretty much the same thing. We align the holes with concentric mates and then attach the wheel and then just lock it in with the bolt. Also, one last important thing is this limit angle right here. So I'll zoom in for you real quick. So what this limit angle does is it sets the maximum and minimum angle of our seat because we don't want to go past the seat. So we set our minimum angle to 15 degrees and our maximum angle to 90 degrees. So it will stay within the range whenever we try to fold it during simulations or anything. So that concludes our assembly video for our walker. I hope you enjoy. So thank you for your time.